How to fix TikTok verification code not received problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are facing verification code not received problem in TikTok, then how you can fix this problem in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix it. Okay, I'll tell you the solution and from which you can definitely fix your problem. So as you can see, I have been waiting for too long, but guys, I didn't receive a verification code. Okay, but guys, if you are unable to receive a verification code from the TikTok, then guys, you need to do some solution. After doing all the solution, guys, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I was trying to reset my password, but guys, what happened is I didn't receive a verification code. Okay, so if you are also facing this kind of problem, then guys, you need to solve it. Okay, you need to solve it and you need to know some solution and you need to do some setting. After doing all the solution and setting, you can receive the verification code and your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so just stay tuned with the video and watch it. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So at the first step, guys, what you have to do here is just go back. Okay, go back, and after going back, guys, go to the Play Store. Okay, go to the Play Store and make sure that your TikTok version is up to date. If your TikTok version is not up to date, then guys, update your TikTok version. Okay, just go to Play Store, search for the TikTok, and then guys, update it. When you update, the bug problem will get fixes. Okay, so update is very important. And then guys, you have to go here on the dialer. Okay, uh, first we go to dialer and then guys we'll go to setting. But guys, let's go to dialer and I'll show you something which might be your culprit. Okay, so you must see it. So let's go to dialer, click on the three lines, go to setting, and then guys, here you have to check your block list. Okay, go to block list and then guys, make sure that your block list is turned off. Okay, make sure to turn this off or otherwise you cannot receive the SMS. Okay, but guys, before that, let's go to SMS block list. And guys, make sure that message from stranger is allow. Okay, make sure that a message from stranger is allow. If it is in block, then guys, you cannot receive any OTP, because OTP will every time when you receive OTP, so every time they send you from the unknown number. Okay, which we never know from which number they are going to send us OTP. So just allow it to receive the OTP, okay, from the stranger number. And then guys, go back, and after that guys, you have to go to setting. And after going to setting, just open up your application. And then guys, you can go to manage apps. Okay, manage apps or install apps. So guys, now you have to search here for the TikTok. But guys, before doing this process, okay, if you want to go and try on TikTok to get the verification code after unblocking the SMS block list and all, guys, you can try it. Okay, you can go to TikTok and you can try it after allowing the stranger messages. Okay, after allowing the stranger messages, you can go to TikTok and check it whether your problem is fixed or not. Okay, so after that, if your problem is fixed, then guys, it's great. And if your problem doesn't fix, then guys, you have to go to setting, open up your manage apps. Okay, manage apps, or you may find here install apps. So just go there and guys, you have to search here for the TikTok application. So let's find it out. So where is our TikTok? Okay, so we have found it. So now go to TikTok, and then guys, you have to click on the force stop and clear the data from TikTok. Okay, so just clear the data and go to a permission, allow all the permissions here. And after allowing the permissions, go back, search for messaging, and you have to do the same process, force stop and then clear the data. So after clearing the data, go to a permission, and then guys, you have to give allow to the permission and then restart your mobile, and guys, this time you will receive the verification code surely. Okay, and after doing all this process, your problem will be fixed. So whenever we clear the data of messaging, the router gets clear, okay, and the message is ready to received. So that's why we need to clear the data of our messaging, because many of the time the SMS got stuck, okay, and we are unable to receive that message. So just because of that we face this kind of problem. So make sure to clear the data of your messaging, make sure to allow the stranger messages, and then guys, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix the verification code not received problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.